Hello everyone and welcome back to another video for Aria. For those who don't know, Aria is a music app that I'm developing that will attempt to connect users of all platforms. This video will be a bit different as I haven't recorded much of anything this past month and unfortunately haven't gotten to any of the really cool features. So this video will just be taking you through a normal weekend that isn't super busy. As I do have quite a bit of free time this weekend, I should be able to make some decent progress on the next few tasks. This weekend I plan to work on the profile setup screen as well as the terms of service page. With all that being said, today is Friday, July 26th, and before getting started on any of those pages, I need to head to the gym, so I will see you there. So it just occurred to me that I haven't updated the YouTube channel on the current state of Aria in quite some time. Over the past month, I really cut down scope for the app and wanted to come up with an idea that will be more manageable and useful to a user. So the first item to cross off the list was the login screen. If you haven't seen the short where I show how Spotify and Apple Music sign-in now work, I will link that in the description, but even though the logins worked, the screen looked pretty terrible. I'm not saying that it looks great now, but I definitely think this is a massive improvement over what it was. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I definitely appreciate some feedback on this design. Now that that update is out of the way, let's get into some development for the account setup page. It's now time to wrap up for the day. I will end pretty much every day the same way that I'm ending this one, with some stretching and a bit of reading. Today I am reading the second chapter of Isaiah. After that, I'm off to bed, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning everyone, it is now Saturday, July 27th. I made a good amount of progress on the setup screen yesterday. I do have quite a bit to do today. I have to take my car in for maintenance and then I am meeting with a friend to hit a leg day. I will be doing some work on the app in between those two things, but I will catch up with you all later this evening. It's now the end of Saturday and I was able to get quite a bit done on the setup screen. Users can now upload their profile picture, set their username, user tag, and date of birth. All of these fields have validation in place, so for example, the user has to type in a date that is in a valid format. Of course, I tried to make this as easy as possible, so as the user types in their birthday, the slashes will be added for them. The last thing I need to check on tomorrow is routing, and then I will be good to start on the terms of service page. So I will see you all tomorrow. Good morning again everyone. I woke up pretty late to start this Sunday. Safe to say that my legs hurt, but I still have around an hour before I have to leave for church, so I think that will be enough time to plan out the terms of service page, which hopefully shouldn't be too hard. So I got back a little bit ago and in the meantime got most of the terms of service page done. As you can see here, I have this string representing the terms of service because I don't have any actual terms yet. The user will be required to scroll the whole way down so that way we know that they actually read the extremely important documentation. Now that it's a bit after 3, it's time to go for a short run as I am starting to prepare for a marathon. Today is going to be around a 5-mile run. So I ended up with a fairly good average pace, around 8 minutes a mile. So for the rest of the day, I'm going to wrap up with some cleanup, do the nightly routine, and then head to bed. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this type of video, let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on Aria, and I will see you all later.